important topic of relation. और relation ये discuss करेंगे. जब दूसरा सेट ऐसा सेट A सेट का सेट and T भी another set. Both are set and non-negative. Both are non-negative. And the binary composition means S cross T. Then this is called the binary composition. Binary composition. Binary composition in the sense that for example, A set is A, B, C and T set 1, 2 and S cross T in the sense of S cross T is A1 and B1 and C1 and A2 B2 and C2. This is the binary combination. This is called a binary combination. For example, that S set a one element and T set a one element. They both are one element. This is the binary combination. Here, but or one important topic equivalent relations. Binary composition clear? Equivalent relations and equivalent relations. Equivalent relations होते वाले तीनटा कॉन्सेप्ट समझते हैं. आता A सेट का नॉन नेगेटिव सेट यदि ले लो है S नॉन नेगेटिव सेट and A belongs to S यदि है and R with the relations of the set S and one condition, first condition A belongs to first condition is called reflexive. One relation is called reflexive. A belongs to S. One element A belongs to S. Then A and A belongs to R. For all A belongs to S. So therefore, A is the first condition. Now, reflexive and second condition symmetric. And two elements A and B belongs to S. One is A row B hold, then B row is also hold. Equal it. No problem. So regular बाकी तो सर बाकी मुझे सीधी के ताकि बोल रहे हैं पहले सीधे बाकी नहीं आ रही सर क्या है सर सीधे ताकि नहीं आ रही Next, first condition था reflexive, तो बोला इसे तो second condition है, second condition ऊपर लिख दो second condition. Second condition is the relations R is said to be symmetric if and only two elements A and B, two elements A and B belongs to S. In S, AB belongs to R. AB belongs to R implies that BA belongs to R. This is the second condition. That is called this condition is called symmetric. This condition is called symmetry. And third relation is the relation R is said to be the transitive effect only any three elements transitive any three elements A, B and C belongs to S. Any three elements belongs to S such that A belongs to R, B, C belongs to R, implies that AC belongs to R. This is the तीनटा एलिमेंट लिखा होगा ABC belongs to S such that A log belongs to R and BC belongs to R. This implies that AC belongs to R. This is called the transitive. When three conditions are hold, then called it the equivalent relation. Three conditions are hold, then called it the equivalent relation. For example, let rho be the relation. Rho be the relation found on the set Z, and A rho B if and only if A minus B is divisible by 5. देखो इक्विवेलेंट रिलेशन अभी दिन একটা চেক করা ফর एग्जांपल একটা দেওয়া হচ্ছে যে রো একটা রিলেশন ইন সেট Z and A rho B if and only if A minus B is divisible by 5. First condition A belongs to Z. Z is the sense of integer sense. Z is the sense of integer sense. A minus A equal to 0. 0 is the divisible by 5. 0 is the divisible by 5. Then first condition is hold. So the A rho A is hold. The first condition is hold. And the reflexive. Then second conditions then second condition symmetric এখানে বুঝলে হ্যাঁ শুধু এই কন্ডিশনটা মুছে দেবো কোনো অসুবিধা নেই second condition A B belongs to Z two elements consider Z A B belongs to Z থেকে নেওয়া হয়েছে তাহলে দেখো condition ছিল A row belongs to A row B তাই তো তাহলে এখান থেকে A row B হোল ছিল তাহলে A minus B is divisible by five A minus B divisible by 5 হলে তাহলে আমরা যেখানে মাইনাস কমন নিলে তাহলে B minus A is also divisible by 5 তাহলে এটা কি হচ্ছে A minus B is divisible by যেটা কাদের গেল A minus B is divisible by 5 then B minus common নিলে minus B A minus B is also divisible by তাহলে এখানে কি আছে B row A each whole second condition symmetric are satisfied third condition A, B and C belongs to Z A minus B is A row B implies A row B whole A minus B is divisible by 5 and B row C is whole then এটা কি হবে তাহলে B minus C is divisible by 5 ঠিক আছে এগুলো থেকে লাগিয়ে তাহলে কি করতে হবে আমাকে A আর A রো C হোল্ড করে করতে চেক করতে হবে তাহলে দেখো এখানে আমি লিখতে পারি কি A minus C equal to implies that A minus C equal to তাহলে আমি A minus B plus B minus C প্লাস করলে হবে মাইনাস করলে হবে তাহলে প্লাস করলে হ্যাঁ প্লাস করলে হচ্ছে তাহলে প্লাস তাহলে এটাও তো কি ডিভিজিবল বাই 5 এটাও ডিভিজিবল বাই 5 তাহলে এটা ক্ষেত্রে A minus C also is also divisible by 5 then transitive condition are hold and 1 2 3 all conditions are hold then it is equivalent relation then it is equivalent relation and for example one more example in the next class. Thank you.